we got some wind here this morning, but you gotta have your skills dialed in. I just kited it and she will penetrate through the wind, so that is good. Look at that lovely sunrise, huh? Yeah, let's go see what happens. Hey friends, JT Wardle here with Action Life. Thanks for watching the show. So how do you safely fly in strong wind? You focus on complete control of the wing. Having complete control of the wing on the ground is the hazard you want to practice. The beach is a great place to practice strong wind flying. That's what we were doing. Joy by the sea is what we were doing when we were flying. Right over there. That's some joy. Beach flying. Love, laugh, live.
So far away from everything, where time don't mean a thing. As time moves slow and certainly we've got no place to be. Where there is love, there is life, there's a hope and a dream. This is the place for you and me. We can go, we can stay, we can hide, we can run away. In the ocean, we've fallen. Life keeps calling.
Got another early morning. Gonna go see if we can wake that sun up and get it going for everyone. Light breeze, gentle breeze going on here. Oh, it's gonna be magic. Beautiful sea breeze coming in right now. Lovely beach. Look at the blues and the greens. The white sand. Way too much beach footage. I gotta do my beach fly soon. Old guys on the beach. Man, this is just in my blood. The whole ocean experience. I just love it. Just love it. I may or may not get a video done on this, but what a beautiful day. What's up? I gotta go show the path here and look. We got our motors here. I probably won't show this. Alrighty, there we go. Help protect our sea turtles. Alright, let's go see if we can see some sea turtles, huh? It'll warm up, but...
Yesterday, and I put mine slightly low.
Alright. Came down, that was an hour and 10 of cruising around the Space Coast. Look at that, Guardian Angel was on just for safety. Turn that on, now we gotta go fist bump. There's right. Jeff Dean showing us how to do it.
No launch today, but we gave people a good show, didn't we?
Yeah, oh man, that was magical. We were right next to Disney. Give me a pound, buddy.
What's up, bro?
Woo! Hanging. Chilling. Look. Drop the phone. Such a beautiful way to start today. Woohoo! Lovely beach fly. Let's show it. We're down sound. Nice, nice, nice. You're gonna call us some gray hair? I don't have any hair. You learn it one step at a time. In strong wind, you want to launch with the least wind, so go down the hill or away from obstacles and away from the surf. Try rear riser control when you're lifting the wing, or try the Cobra launch in strong wind. Get your good side. There's my buddy John Rip Man riding. Check him out on YouTube. Look what he's done here for me. Nice little sand. Keep that trailing. You want the trailing edge down so that leading edge pops right up. So you pull the red yellow. Come on, get it. First time, first time. Launch in, clear. Come on. Rip up, come start my engine. The engine's dead. Come pull it. Thank you. Thank you. Oh yeah. We got it. Strong wind and paragliders don't do well together, but you may find yourself in strong wind flying. So know how to safely fly your paraglider in strong wind. Practicing strong wind flying at the beach is a great way to learn and to take it one step at a time. It's just begun. There's fire on the horizon. A fire, let it burn. We can get higher up on the mountain. We've fallen, life keeps calling. Some beach flying, the pelicans are cruising along. We'll go catch up with them and see if we can see some dolphins out there. Wildlife maybe, huh? So lovely, what a beautiful day. Living the dream, huh? Sure. Look at that. So fun. All right, time to warm it up and let's go up in that sky, have some fun. Strong wind landing is pretty hazardous too, so you have to know how to kill the wing. Know the kill switch for your wing. Okay, let's turn it and kill it. Kill it. I got it. Thank you. Riptides, all you can eat crab, live music. Whoa, sliding like a bird. Very nice.
It's a heck of a flight. I think I flew an hour and 20 minutes on that second flight.
Oh yeah.
How about you guys? Anybody have time?
I had 11 liters. I got maybe 1.5 left.
Hour and 11 minutes right there on the timer.
I was right behind you.
Yeah.
Lovely flying. Headed home.
All right, buddy. I catch you later.
All right. Love, love, live. Sorry. Me and my camera are always on. There they are. Woo! That was fun. Hey, we worked it.
Come fly with us. Come on, don't just sit there at home on the couch. Get out and
That's
fly.
it. That's it. I want to live that life. Fun place, huh?
Let's say we got
curry. We got some
I can smell that, huh?
potatoes, and then
Ooh.
rice. All right.
Nice. Thank you,
That's
Todd.
all we can
Good to see you, buddy.
I got some drone footage I'll share with you.
Cool. Yeah, Ripple knows how to beach fly.
Yeah. He's also got a few pounds on you, so he's not getting drunk.
That's true. And it's a small wing on his weight. There he goes. Your GoPro was getting snagged.
Okay, is it up snagged?
Yeah, it is. I pushed it down a little bit. You got it. It's what?
My helmet's caught.
Yeah, it's your
back of my helmet.
It's your battery on your GoPro. Hold on. His GoPro was trying to kill him. The battery was snagging on his neck, on his net. You got it. Just down the road there. What'd you think, Yankee Paramotor?
Nice.
That was how you do it, huh?
That was. Did you see that manta ray? We saw a manta ray. It was big as 2 sheets of plywood.
It was a huge shark too. There was all kinds of stuff in the water today.
Why there's so much wildlife today in the water, but it's quite the day.
You know, it's amazing how many sharks we saw right off the beach, maybe 40, 50 yards out.
Yeah,
Sharks all over the
I
place.
saw a big one. I could have swore he looked like an 8-9 foot shark.
Go to the beach, have a 2-step takeoff, and land within feet where you wanted to. It's a great ending to the day.
Right side, right wing is staying low. Yeah. All right, let's check you out. Bend down just a little bit. Get this up over your back. Back over your prop. Stop. Almost. Get up. Go. Now you can feel the magic. Yeah. Oh yeah, not much. I'm gonna be running fast. As fast as a slow turtle. Come in peace. Oh, that was lovely.
Here it comes.
So much magic.
There he is.
Don't let the sun go down on me. Although
Yeah,
I
beach
search
life.
myself, there's
Good for
always
the soul.
someone else I see. Yeah.
Have a good love life.
Just